All right, let's do a Shadow Ops 3 base. I got a Jug Toon, Jug, Caretaker, Darkstorm, 6 Drakons. I've got 4 Phalanx to take out the towers. Let's go in. Oh, Shadow Ops. I'm using Shadow Ops. I mean, Electric Ops. Let's see if we can't destroy this base. All right, let's send in a Jug. And let's just start doing some damage. Oh, first thing we do is put it on hold, because we got to get rid of these Furies. So the Drakons will take care of them. All right. I usually lose a Caretaker. When you move in to kill these, one thing on this side of the base, make sure you get each one of these bunkers in the shadow of Darkstorm, and they'll stop shooting at you. So when the Darkstorm moves, make sure that the shadow covers the bunker, and then they won't do damage to you. Boom, got him. Let's get this guy out of here. That should clean him out. All right, gotta watch out for the sharpshooter. Let's take him out. Okay, here he comes. Get him into the shadow. Good, we got him. Now let's clean out this side again. Go until he's in the shadow, then he won't shoot you. Keep going there, right there. Far enough. Do not get anywhere near the towers. The towers will have Drakons, and they will shoot you, and they will make you wish you didn't get near them. Okay, we got a couple of bunkers here. As quickly as you can, you want to get them into the shadow before they start firing. Okay. Now we can put them all on hold. They're all on hold. All right, let's send the Jug, take them out. We're going to move over here so that he doesn't get us. We'll shoot him and he'll clean him out, because he will do damage to your Caretaker. It's close enough. Now we want to get him in the shadow as quickly as we can. Shadow of the Darkstorm. Then he won't shoot at you. So keep going. Once he gets into the shadow, we're good to go. All right. All right, we left him. We don't want to leave him. We got to get rid of him. Don't get near the towers. They will do damage. They'll take out your caretaker. Normally I pay better attention, but I didn't this time. Okay. Now we're going down here, and we're going to take out this stuff here. We'll take him out, then we can use our envoys. So use ground to take out air, use air to take out ground. That's my philosophy. Stay away from the towers. They are not your friend. Close enough. Now we'll send in the jug to take out the 2 avalanche. All right, let's take out. We'll shoot him, take him out. Then we'll send in our envoys and our phalanx. All right, that was dumb. You didn't even shoot him. I'll take him out. All right, end the attack. My caretaker's almost dead. I might have to replace him. We'll see. All right. The next step. The towers are the problem. So we're going to send in 1 phalanx per tower. As soon as he kills the tower, we end the attack. Bingo, that's it. Let's kill another tower. I have not found an effective way to kill those towers other than getting about 15 minutes damage on each phalanx. It's not the end of the world. Just what happens. Oh, that phalanx died completely because I turned back. Yeah, you make a mistake, you make a mistake. All right, now let's get this one. Get a little bit of damage, but not the end of the world. Yep, he's gone. And then we'll take out these avalanche with envoys. All right, let's get that tower. Done. All right. You can go home. You need some repairs now. We'll use our envoys to take out the avalanche. We'll clear up here. We'll do some damage down here. Let's see, right here. 9 envoys and Martin. Only thing after you stay away from here, stay away from the hunters. But you can kill him right here, and he's dead. Now we're going to go up here, and we're going to take out these guys. Shoot here. Shoot here. You shoot here, and it'll take out the CC. Okay, CC's gone. Okay, stop. If you stop, he'll turn back. Okay, he turned back. Now we got to take out this avalanche. All right. Now we take out these two guys, and then we can attack with our caretaker, Jugtoon. What else we got? Okay, that's it. How much time we have? Oh, we got lots of time. All right, retreat the envoys. Now we're just going to come down here, and we're going to kill the rest of the base. If our caretaker doesn't die, he's down to one little red sliver. We'll see what happens. If he dies, I just send it home, get another caretaker, and finish up. So you get a little bit of damage. I have not figured out how to do it without losing a caretaker. Oh, I only got 3 minutes. Well, we don't have much time, but basically I'm just going to go over here, going to kill this, going to come here, kill this, just work my way up the base with these guys. Can't go too fast because the Jug can't keep up. We only got 2.5 minutes, so we'll see how we do. We need to bring you back. Now we'll shoot here, and this will kill the rail. And we kill these guys, and that's it. You're done. Base is completed. Oh, don't be stupid. Get up there. That's it. And you get directional plating for my escorts. Oh, I got something else. Let's see what else I got. Escorts. So more stuff for my escorts. Okay, that's it. Enjoy.